So before working on any machine, please refer to your operator or owner's manual for further safety instructions.
Hello everybody, this is Derek with Weingartz, and today we're going over the Cub Cadet ZTX zero-turn mower operations. Before starting the mower, let's go over a few visual checks. First, you want to check the gas. Make sure to add fresh gas if needed. Next, check the oil level and add oil if low. Now you want to check the tire pressure and make sure all the tires are at the proper air pressure. Also be sure to clean any debris from the mower deck. Also be sure to inspect the blades for damage or excessive wear. Let's go over a few safety reminders before starting the mower. Always be sure to have proper ear and eye protection. There are never any passengers allowed. Always be cautious on steep hills. And always be sure to check your surroundings before starting the mower. Always make sure to turn the mower blades off before getting off the mower. Now let's go over the control levers. The levers in the outward position means the mower's in the park position. To move the mower forward at a straight even line, you want to push both levers evenly forward. This gauges how fast you go, so the further you push out, the faster you'll move. And to move backwards at an even line, you want to pull both levers backwards evenly. Each lever powers each individual wheel. So if I push this right lever outwards, that's going to make the right wheel to start to turn, which you're going to turn to the left. And same with the left lever. If you're going to push the left lever outwards while keeping the right lever static, the left wheel is going to start to turn and you're going to turn to the right. So now that we're ready to start the machine, we want to put the mower deck to the height we wish to cut at. First, you want to push in the foot pedal assist to lift the mower deck up. Now you can lock it with a deck lock here into the transport height and select the cutting height you wish to cut. Now push in the foot pedal assist back in and unlock the deck lock, and that'll drop the mower deck to the height you wish to cut. So now we're ready to start the mower. Be sure to have the control levers in the outward neutral position. Push the throttle all the way up into the highest position so that the choke is fully engaged, and turn the key until the mower starts. Once the mower is started, slowly release that throttle out of the choke position. And whenever you want to turn on the blades, pull up on the yellow PTO switch. Whenever you want to turn the blades off, push the PTO switch down to the off position. So now we have the mower started, let's go over the control levers again. To move forward at an even line, you want to push both levers evenly. To move backwards at a straight even line, you want to pull both levers inward. To turn to the left, you want to push the right lever outward, which is going to power that right wheel. And to turn back to the right, you want to push this left lever outward, which is going to power the left wheel. Whenever you want to turn off the mower, make sure to push the throttle down to about the halfway point and then turn the key into the off position. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website at www.weingartz.com or feel free to stop by any of our store locations. Thank you and have a great day.